Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in Minnesota. And today I want to talk to you about if you have young kids who are bringing home lots and lots of papers from preschool, kindergarten, elementary, sometimes even into middle school, but seems to be the papers do die down a little bit as they get older. But you and all other parents in the United States are inundated with papers every single day the kids come home. So what I want to tell you now is that it's a great time to set up a little system before school starts. So maybe you have a little bit of a better flow going into the school year to help organize those papers, projects, artwork, and all of those things. I'll give you a little insight into what I do at my house. I have 2 bins, and I actually installed these bins on the wall, and one has my one kiddo's name and the other has the other kid's name. And each day when we get home from school, we try to make it a priority to open up the bag. So we open up the bag, we take all the papers out, and at that point, sometimes I just shove them in the box that has their name on it. And sometimes we actually go through and say, oh yeah, this is something I need to keep, or this is just a piece of paper they sent home with us or whatever. So anyway, we put them in, and then once it gets pretty full, we actually pull all the papers out and I sit my kids down and we go through them. And I ask them what they want to keep, and they are really awesome, and it's really, I think, empowering to give them that decision-making process of like which artwork, which papers meant a lot to them, and which ones maybe weren't so important. So we do a first sort through that, and then I see what's kind of left over and kind of make a decision of what pieces maybe we should keep. And then I put those things into a bin for that school year. And then at the end of the school year, we go through everything and sort it out, and we end up making a little archive book. But anyway, I love the bin system. I love the drop system. It's a way to get papers out of the backpack and into a bin, and then you can do it kind of whenever it works for you or whenever it gets really full. And that's been working really well for us. We've done this for 3 years. So anyway, I'd love for you to get that set up this year. Let me know in the comments if you do, or send us a picture. We'd love to hear about it. We'll see you next time on this week's Just the Tip.